Hi guys! We're going home to Cavite. Time check. It's what time is it right now? It's 9:39 na ng gabi mga pangga. Let's go, Felix!
Ma,
Ah,
may ano dyan? One.
wala po. Let's go, Felix! We're going home to Cavite.
Mama, ay pa.
Bye-bye, Bulacan home. See you after 1 month. Hello. Bye-bye. Ingatan niyo po kami, Lord. Mama Mary. Ingatan niyo po kami sila Face. And last time, 32, 39. 40. It's air time, air and water.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, Felix. Angin, Papa. Ayaw.
Pinabasa. Tutok kasi tayo.
Pa eh.
Atras para ma-picture na yan. Hindi na picture na eh. Picture mo dali.
So guys, hindi binasa yung aming fare. Buti mo nakasunod sa atin. Hindi po binasa. Thanks God. Okay na. Ganun pala yun. Laking abala din pag hindi binasa, no pa? Lalo na kung araw, no? Tapos matraffic, no?
Kailangan ba bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
Yeah, we're home na. It's 12:20 na ng madaling araw, mga pangga. Dito na kami sa Pasinara. Thank you so much, Mama Mary, for guiding us. Thank you so much. We're home. Tulog pa mga person. Let's go, Felix. Let's go, Felix. Good night, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.